In this video, we'll demonstrate the steps for the regular cleaning process of the Primacy 2 card printer. Regular cleaning is a crucial maintenance step that you must perform after printing over 1,000 cards to keep your printer in optimal condition. First, you need to click on the brush logo to initiate the cleaning process. Choose the regular cleaning. In this regular cleaning, you need to prepare an adhesive short card and a cleaning swab. Then, click Next and Next. Here, the Evolis Premium Suite 2 provides guidelines. First, you need to remove the card and place your PVC card in a box. If not, when your card gets scratched, your printout will be affected. You need to wait for the green tick to appear. It will show up when you remove the card from the printer. Once you see the green tick, you can click the Next button, enabling you to start the cleaning process. If you don't remove the card and ribbon, the Evolis Premium Suite 2 will not allow you to click the Next button. After this, set the thickness to the maximum. First, remove the adhesive sticker, then place the sticky surface face up into the card printer. The cleaning process will take around 20 seconds. After the adhesive card comes out from the printer, remember to set the thickness back to 0.76 mm. You need to flip up the print head cover. Then, you can use the cleaning swab to swipe the print head in one direction. Then, you put back the ribbon and the card, and the printer can be used again.
Please like, share, and subscribe our YouTube channel, follows our Facebook's pages and visit our websites www.alcaidc.com.